Hey fam, what it is? Sonny Bones coming at you with a tutorial. A lot of you guys been asking me how do you download instrumentals from, like, let's say YouTube. Let's say a producer is giving you a free beat, or a beat he's putting out to the world that he doesn't mind you rapping over as long as you give him credit for it. Now, any of these beats I show you guys how to get, please give these producers credit. They need their credit and they deserve their credit. They work hard at what they do, and I feel like, for them to get a tiny, saying produced by such and such, they deserve that. But let's get into the video. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google. They have other search engines out there, such as Bing, Yahoo, but if you ain't with Google, then go kill yourself with a spoon. Where you been at. But what you want to do is type in online video converter or video online converter, whichever one. Video online converter. Press enter. The first one that pops up seems to be okay, as long as it says www.onlinevideoconverter.com. That's the one you want. So we're going to click that one. You're going to come to this screen. It says your number one free video conversion tool. What you want to do is convert a video link URL. So click this. Hey, it's my girl Phoebes from Friends. Hey, sexy. So you will come up to this screen. So as you see, you have to post a link here. What happened? So as you see, you have to post a link here. Excuse me for that. I don't know what happened, but let me exit out of that. But as you see, you have to post a link here. They have little supported sites down here, which they support: YouTube, Instagram, College Humor, Facebook. What else they got down here? That's a GodTube. Never heard of that, but we're gonna go to YouTube. So once you're on YouTube, you want to find the instrumental of your choosing to download. So let's just say free. Let's just say free untagged, because I'm pretty sure you want to download a instrumental that doesn't have a bunch of tags in it. That would get annoying. So let's say untagged beats. Enter. So I don't know. Let's try this one. Okay, so once you hit the video of your choosing, you want to go where it says share. Press share. As you can see, it gives you a link. You want to copy that link. Copy. Then you want to go back to YouTube Converter, and right in this space where it says add link, you want to press that. You want to paste the link, and here you have the format, whereas you can format to MP3, WAV file, WMA, also video formats such as MP4, M4V, and so on. But we're going to do MP3 for right now. You press start. Says preparing your conversion. Ta-da. So after it converted the video, you have download or convert again. We're going to click download. So since that's downloaded, you can see down here on this little bar or tab right here. We want to open this up. Click the arrow. Open this up. Go to Show in Folder. As you can see, the MP3 version of the beat is right here. You can put it into whatever folder you want. I like to put mine's in, let's say, the music folder. So I already have this beat downloaded, so let's just say replace the file and destination. So once you have done that, go to music. And where is it? Where is it at? And there we go. And you have it right there.